O Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ubah polling do lai thu ba kajing pini thu ya kibru kibadi jingdi Hamadan kalakut menta pat kebasa kalong satang kajing ya kidukan kebaya kene kekam enshim jingkit kli da keslong municipal board hapo umna jiliu lai thu ba sisen balala ban pendep ya kene kajing pin kinria kumju kekam in sapai ru syakitain kum kalaban lai umkra bat kiwei kijaka.
All I can say is that this is not an exercise that only we as a tourism department are engaged with, but primarily this was something that was taken up by the Shillong Municipality Board based on certain pronouncements of the Meghalaya High Court and also submissions made by the Hawkers Association. So it's an exercise that has gone now for the past 2 years or more and is at its final stages. If those hawkers wish to access more information, they have their own leaders who are part of the exercise conducted by the SMB, and also you'll be able to get more clarity from the officials of the Shillong Municipality Board. But as they were part of several rounds of discussions, SMB officials have submitted to us the progress report made by their exercise. There are vending committees which have gone into various aspects, and as I said, the identification process is already over. Now it's only the allotment of stalls which the SMB will take care of within the month of June.
So apart from Police Bazaar, apart from Khandailat, we also see like Umkra also is one of the areas which has very congested with a lot of hawkers and all. Why more attention is not given in those different areas also?
Well, we go by priority. We prioritize areas which come into, for instance, Khandailat is part of the phase 1 of the Smart City project, and it is also the city center. Once that is done with, we will move into areas like Umkra, Alaban and others.